In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Sapphire Reserve travel benefits. So if this is your first time trying to use the Chase Sapphire Reserve, in this video, let me show you a few things that you need to know. Now, in order to access this feature, you just need to charge your eligible travel purchases to trigger the automatic $300 annual travel credit. So what you need to do is whenever you are traveling, you need to add in the travel expenses directly to the card that you added in. Once you've done that, in the next step, you need to log in back to your Chase application and head over to your travel portal where you'll be able to redeem your rewards. Multiple ways that you can redeem your rewards, such as you can use it to book hotels and resorts, as well as premium cabins within airfares, as well as a bunch of other options. You can easily transfer the points directly to the airlines as well as your hotel loyalty programs. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the Chase Sapphire Reserve travel benefits. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.